Let's go over the install and settings of the PROSPORT boost controller gauge. After unboxing, step 1, mount solenoid valve near turbo and wastegate. Also, mount pressure sensor near manifold pressure source. Step 2, route provided vacuum hose according to wastegate diagram in the manual. Also, route vacuum hose from pressure sensor to manifold pressure source. Step 3, mount gauge and route wiring from solenoid valve and pressure sensor to the gauge. Step 4, wire gauge to 12 volt ignition and ground. Final step, turn your ignition on and admire it turning on. Alright, we're going to go over the steps real quick here, what this thing can do. So you got your low boost and high boost. All you got to do is just press those. But first thing you want to do to set it up is press and hold the middle. It's going to bring up your base. You're going to set that to whatever your wastegate is. Then you can press it again, and then it's going to display H. You're going to set that to whatever you want your high boost to be. Alright, and then once you got that, that's pretty much your low high boost. What we went ahead and did was so set it to your low boost. So if you're like over here, press here, bring it back up, press and hold the left. That's going to bring up your gain. We shut off that for our low boost, so that way we're running off wastegate. And then if you press and hold the right side, that's going to bring up a warning. So you can just pretty much hit your left and right to up and down it. And that's going to be your warning for when you're hitting them boosts. And then if you hit this, go over to your high ones, it's going to be the same exact thing. So if you press and hold, it's going to bring up your gain. And that's something you're going to have to play around with. Same thing if you want to set your warning for your high boost. Same principle. Just set it to whatever you want it to be set to. And that's it. That's quite literally everything you need to really know about the gauge. Alright, for the closeout, the main thing that I'm going to have to say is make sure you don't make any crazy adjustments. Take them slow so that way you don't overboost. All that stuff. I mean, it worked out great. So, yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe.